very anxious to go for the next cultural program. You have been sitting here since long. I will not take much of your time. The dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Balbir Singh Ji, President Sri Nanak Jira Sahab Foundation, Sardar Gurcharan Singh Ji Bagga, Chairman Central Committee, Gurdwara Sahiban, Telangana State, Dr. Reshma Kaur Ji, Sardar Arvinder Singh Ji, Sardar Chetan Singh Ji, President, Gurdwara Bharambala, Harbans Singh Ji, past President, Gurdwara Bharambala and present Chairman, and Sardar Manjit Singh Ji Pala, our dynamic managing committee, very effective member, and all the dignitaries and the dais, headmistress, Srimati Geeta Rajan Ji, Mrs. Hemlata Joseph, and present headmistress Mohtarama Rukhsana Ahmed Ji, all the alumni of 35 batches, the other dignitaries, invitees. Indeed, it is a very august moment for me, and I feel very proud and lucky enough to see you all, that I am the witness of all 35 batches passing through successfully from Guru Nanak High School, Sikh Chhauniat. Just I will take a few minutes how the school came to existence in Sikh Chhauniat. You know that in the year 83 onwards, 1983 onwards, the Sikh Chhauni started to rehabilitate our members, and many people started settling there by constructing their houses. Having done so, there was a big need for an education institution. The people of Sikh Chhauniat, the Sangat from Sikh Chhauniat, made a representation to the then President Pant Ratan Shiromani Sardar Joga Singh Ji, the then President of Sri Nanak Jira Sahab Foundation, and Sri Nanak Ji Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, Nanak Jira Sahab, that they wanted to have a school in Sikh Chhauniat. And we all know that to establish a school in any place, it requires a very big land, a very big amount, the finances. But Joga Singh Ji never hesitated. The moment the request reached to him in his general body meeting, 25th December 1986, he has agreed the proposal, said yes, we will construct a school and we will manage it at Sikh Chhauniat. And the school should be managed by Sikh Education Society. It was my luck, I was present in the general body meeting. I was then the Secretary Sikh Education Society. Bhai Sahab Joga Singh Sahab has entrusted the responsibility to me as a secretary to see that go to the Chhauni, approach Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, Gurdwara Sahab Bharambala, acquire land and started construction. Immediately, the society accepted the seva entrusted to it by Sardar Joga Singh Ji, and for your information, from 1986 to 1993, we have received about 25 lakhs of those periods. It was a very huge amount in that year from 86 to 94, and we have started acquiring land constructing building, acquired playground, also acquired land for junior college. And started it by 89. The school was completed by its 2 floors. And but first June 1990, we started Guru Nanak High School with a strength of about 375. Dear students, school was very lucky enough to grow very fastly. Within a span of 4 years, the school was full-fledged recognized government high school in Rajendra Nagar Mandal area. And our first batch of SSC passed off successfully in 94-95 from a recognized high school. It was one of the 3 recognized high school in that area in those days. So from that onward till date, 31 batches passed off very peacefully with the result of 100% almost all years. This could be done by our able headmistress, right from Mrs. Hemlata Joseph, followed by Geeta Rajanji, and till date our Rukhsana Ahmed. This could be possible by the very support and help from Gurdwara Baramwala committee and the Gurdwara committees of Hyderabad and Secunderabad and our philanthropists. Apart from Bidar committee, we have some very philanthropist people from Hyderabad, including Sardar Gurucharan Singh Ji Bagga, Manjeet Singh Ji Pala, Guru Nanak Mission Trust, and Batan Singh Trust, and many of our philanthropists who are even now supporting us for management of the school. I think you may not be knowing that the management is giving every year from 15 to 20 lakhs free ship to the need and poor schools. It is not easy for any school to give such a big amount in free ship, and this have to be met only by our donors, our philanthropists, or our mentors. So I am here today by the grace of God and by the visionary late Pant Ratan Sardar Joga Singh Ji, who made me, who gave me this service to serve the society, to serve the community. We always very pragmatic and very secular in functioning. Our Guru said, Manas ki jaat sabe eke pehchan bo. The human being of the universe are one, without any caste, creed, color, gender. We are very secular in functioning. We respect people from all walks and all community. Our group has started. Even today, we have seen in one occasion, we have invited our education minister for our culture, our annual day function in school, Mr. Rangarao, way back in late 90s. He said, Pritam Singh, I am seeing a bit India in your school. I see all people from all communities are present. I said it is a guldasta. मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना हिंदी अहम वतन हिंदुस्तान हमारा. With that principle we work and we will be working always. Not taking much of you, I thank everybody, all my team, all my members. Though many people have taken my name that I did something for the school, it was only possible with my effective team. My management team, which comprise about 25 to 30 members, they are all with me shoulder to shoulder. They support me by all means. With the support only I could stand today effectively in your presence. Thank you very much. Thank you once again for all of you having gathered here and for everything. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.